Hey NewTubers, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we have something that I ordered online. It's pretty 1980-ish, I would say. If you played a lot of video games back in the day, then you'll recognize what I'm about to open, or you'll just see it in the title. Basically, this is SNK NeoGeo Mini cabinet. It has like 40 different NeoGeo games back in the days, and I played this a lot. But over here you can see I have my Sherpa, the NeoGeo Sherpa 100 AC power bank. I'm gonna see if I can use this to charge, supply power to the NeoGeo system. And if you look at my previous video, I did an unboxing on the NeoGeo Sherpa 100 AC power unit, which I highly recommend. Okay, so let's get started. Got my trusty knife again. Let's open this up. Let's see what we have inside. See here. Okay, put the box to the side. Get some packaging. And here you have it. It's called the NeoGeo Mini SNK 40th Anniversary. You can see it's a little mini arcade box and it has all these games in it. The international version's coming out on October 15th, but I might get that one or I might not. I'm not sure yet. I have to see how this one does. And this might go into my I'm holding like a subscriber type contest. I'll probably pick random subscribers to get some prizes that I've set up for the month of October, November. I just need to set it up first and give everyone more information about that. So let's get started. You have the NeoGeo Mini instruction. It's just an instruction booklet. As you can see, you can connect also joysticks to the NeoGeo, and you can connect to your TV through HDMI. So next we have the box right here. Let's see what's in here. Probably the cable box. Mini stickers in here. Let's see what they are. I used to love playing these NeoGeo games a lot back in my days. Oh, you can see here the NeoGeo stickers. The Samurai Showdown, the King of Fighters. You have stickers for your joystick right here. And I believe this is the USB-C charging cable. And here you have it. It's pretty small. You can see it looks like a miniature arcade. Moves pretty well. Start button. This is where you can put a controller right here. Another controller right here. HDMI output. Power on, power off. Headphone jack. And DC in for USB-C power. It doesn't seem like this has a built-in battery with it, so you will need to carry your battery pack all the way around. What I can go ahead and do is, let's go ahead and put the sticker on right here. Hopefully I do this correctly. Okay, let's put the sticker on. Go. Okay, so the next step is let's power this up and see what it's like. And while doing that, as you can see, I have my Sherpa again, my power bank Sherpa powered on. Right now it's at 79%. So let's see if we can power this up. That way, take it anywhere I want. As you can see, it's powering up. 40th anniversary SNK NeoGeo. Let's play Samurai Showdown Special. Exactly like the sound that it makes at the arcade. Same exact sound. Pretty loud too, as you can hear. Oh, that's so cool. Dang, I lost. And I think in order to select another game, you have to just power it on, and then power back off. But I'm a little OCD-ish, so I'm just gonna fix this real fast. Now you can take, now that I know that my Sherpa, as you can see, can power it up. You can see with the Sherpa, you can get detailed information. 49 hours left till empty. And you can see its output right there. It looks like it powers on the my little NeoGeo Mini just fine. So there you have it, the NeoGeo Mini Arcade. There's an international version coming out where it's like blue and gray, and it has 14 different games. I might get it or I might not, but I'm really tempted because this is actually pretty fun. But that's about it. If you guys and girls can, please like and please subscribe. Have more stuff coming. I'm gonna try to put stuff out every Friday, Saturday, depending on the crowdfunding when I get that stuff in. Be on the lookout for some new neat stuff in the future. Thanks everybody.